Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and disconnect the battery. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Disconnect the CPU fan cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the CPU fan. Loosen the two captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the CPU fan to the system board. Remove the CPU fan from its position on the system board and under the heatsink. Replacement. Tow the rear edge of the CPU fan under the heatsink and lower it into position on the system board. Tighten the two captive P1 Phillips head screws that secure the CPU fan to the base enclosure. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel on the CPU fan. Connect the CPU fan cable into its connector on the system board.